What we think of as technology construction is a type of construction that goes beyond the world of sticks and bricks that you typically think of when you think of construction.
Automation law or technology construction is the construction of automated facilities or any type of construction that involves computers and software and moving parts.
And basically, all of these things involve taking processes that move and integrating them through the use of software and computers into everything from advanced manufacturing facilities to automated baggage handling systems to wastewater treatment plants. I became interested in this area when I was consulted by a food and drug manufacturer on a significant problem with an automated system that they had. And they said to me, do we need a construction lawyer, or do we need a computer lawyer or something else? And it was then that I began to think, well, maybe you do need something else.
As we started working on these matters, we realized that this isn't just normal construction. There's an additional level of expertise that's needed here. And so as a group, our construction group has developed that expertise. So not only are we construction lawyers, but we have an additional level of expertise where we understand the software, we understand the problems that are unique to automation projects versus construction projects.
As a result of seeing the worst sorts of things that can happen with projects like this, we began to realize how you can prevent meltdowns from happening. We like to be involved at the very beginning because if we are, there typically is no litigation, because all of the sorts of problems that are litigated typically are preventable.
However, sometimes we are not involved from the beginning, and if we don't have that opportunity, we are definitely able to still add value if we're brought in at a dispute stage. And in that case, my objective is always to say, okay, well, how can we resolve this in a way that is going to be the most efficient and cost-effective result for my client?
We have seen the way technology has changed in the last 20 years for us personally. Personal computers, cell phones, all the applications that are out there. Construction is not unaffected by all of this. And I think in the next decade and the decades beyond that, we will continue to see the role of what used to be called a computer lawyer and the traditional construction lawyer coming closer together. Baker & Daniels is counsel to one of the largest and most prominent associations of companies, the Control System Integrators Association, which is a trade association based in Wisconsin with 300 members worldwide. These are perhaps the most prominent companies in the world that are involved in automation and technology construction. And that's a platform that few, if any, law firms can match.